everyone, it's Josette here, filling in for Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to create this cute winter card using the new toasted marshmallows die set. This is the set here. The dashing circles, the dashing rectangles, the cute winter sentiments clear stamp set, and I'm also using the Moda Scrap Unconventional Christmas Collection paper pack. So here's the card, and as you can see it's got those two cute little marshmallows, and I'm going to start with coloring my marshmallows. I already cut all the pieces here. So as you can see here in the set, the marshmallows have an imprint for the eyes and the mouth. So I first die cut it from white soft finish cardstock with adhesive on the back already, so it's easy to adhere to the card. And then I used a really fine Picra Micron pen in black to color the eyes, and I did that already here. I just followed the little dots from the embossing line. You can see it in the die as well. And I'm going to add a little bit of distress ink. I'm using the tea dye on the edges of the marshmallow, so it kind of looks like it is a little bit toasted. And I just use circular motions. To apply the ink. The other one as well. And then, as you can see on the card, there's also a little fire, and I cut the bigger flame from yellow and the small flame from orange. And then these are the two little pieces for the nose from the marshmallow. And I'm going to add a little bit color to the bigger flame as well. I'm using the wild honey, just so it gets a little bit of shading. There we go. And then this little flame has adhesive on the back already, so I'll just add that in the center here. And then I have two little wood barks, and they kind of just go over top of each other. So I'll just stick one on top of the other, and then I put the bigger flame on top of here. So we've got our little fire here. Now the marshmallows have two little orange noses, so I'm going to add these. Kind of cute, looks like a carrot. And then I also cut the two wooden sticks, so it's really easy now. We can just assemble the card. I made an A2 size card from kind of like a light bluish color. Then I cut one dashing rectangle. I used the second largest die in the set from this dotted pattern paper. And then I also cut one dashing rectangle from white soft finish cardstock using the third largest die in the set. So I'm just going to adhere this to the card. and the white rectangle on top. Okay, and now I'm going to measure. I already cut this dashing circle from white soft finish cardstock, and I stamped the sentiment "Let's Toast" on it. I stamped on the non-textured side of the white soft finish cardstock. I'm just going to measure all my pieces. The sticks, they have adhesive on the back as well already. So this one goes about here. And the other one out here. Oh, the fire pit here, and then the two little marshmallows. Over here. Now I only have to adhere my sentiment. And there you go, and there's your cute winter card. Let's Toast. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you will create this card yourself. I've also suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy. Thank you for watching.